Hello everyone, this is Crystal from Instagram Creations. Just wanted to bring out this video. I usually do my Monday weekly update of what I've been working on over the last week. I didn't get one completed on Monday. It's now Friday. Last week my fiance had to go for a procedure to get a kidney stone removed. So that was kind of a big priority, and I was taking care of him and making sure he was okay. And then I'm also working from home as well, so I don't get a lot of time to crochet and work on videos. So I'm gonna hopefully get back into the swing of things here next week because he's in recovery mode, so I should be able to get some more done. But this one here in particular is what I was working on. What I made it out was to be a wall hanging. I think it turned out really nicely. The only thing I didn't do with this, and I'm going to make another one, I'm hoping to start that today, and I would like to do a video on this complete project. It'll probably be in a few different parts because it is a little time consuming, but I definitely plan on my next one, I'm going to actually block the squares. So what I did is I did 3 squares with the bobble hearts. So I do plan to block that on my next one, so it'll make it a little more even. Because they seem to be a little out of proportion, I think. So I think my next one will probably turn out better. And I mean, I guess that's, it's kind of how you learn. I knew that blocking was a thing, and I figured that I probably should learn how to do that or do it. But I get impatient and I just like to finish projects, and it was looking so cute the way that I was doing it. And I think the border helped straighten it out a little bit, but yeah, I'm definitely going to try doing the blocking on the next one. But yeah, so I wanted to show you that. And then I'm going to show you the headband that I made. I'm actually wearing it like I said I would. All right, so here is the headband that I made. I'm not sure if I can really get to show you the back, but it just has like an elastic band on it. Pretty simple to make, just came up with it myself. But I wanted to show you what it looks like wearing it, and that's what I said I would do in my video. I'm not one that wears headbands normally, so you have to mind my messy hair, but yeah, so that's what that looks like. I don't really have anything else to show you. That's all I was able to kind of work on over the last couple of weeks, just busy with family and work, and my 2 kids starting their online schooling. So that's been a not really challenging, but maybe just more so motivating them to get them to want to jump on the computer and do it. But we're getting there. Anyway, so I just wanted to give you this update. It'll be a Friday update, I guess. And then I'm hoping to start working on another video this afternoon after I'm done work. I should hopefully be able to get a couple videos done this weekend that I'll be ready to post for hopefully Sunday at least. But I want to work on another pattern, actually doing a complete project with everyone. I think I'm about doing the velvet scrunchie, because scrunchies are quite popular again now. So I thought that'd be a fun one to do, and it doesn't really take too long. So, but I mean, I'll start it, we'll get going, and then I'll probably just speed up the video to get to the end and how to finish the product, because the rows are basically the same. You just repeat the rows, so I think you do about 4 or 5. So, but yeah, so stay tuned for that. That should be the next video coming up, and I look forward to hearing from you. You can send me some comments on the videos, tell me what you like, or tell me what you'd like to see. I'm more than willing to create a video for anything that you'd like to learn how to do. All right, see you soon.